What's up, everybody? It's been a slight hiatus for Heidi and myself on doing mixers and breaks, but we are back at it again, looking to do our mixer number 42. Also, if you guys are watching this and you are ready for Prism, we're going to release a Prism break too, and we're going to hope that we can fill that up and do a couple breaks on Thanksgiving. Apologize to everybody for my work schedule and being so super busy at work, but it's always fun to do breaks on Thanksgiving, so I think that should be okay. I'm just going with it. So hopefully you guys are okay with that as well. So going over the list of everybody's spots. Beth Noyce for spot 1 and 2. Paul Tafoya for spot 3. Kyle Engman for spot 4. Make sure you guys can see this, actually. Let's blow this up. Spot 4 was Kyle Engman. Spot 5 is Shelby. Spot 6 is Isela. Spot 7 is the D-Man. Spot 8, Dozer. 9 is Spencer Whiting. Shelby coming in with spot 10. Caleb with spot 11. The D-Man. Spot 12, Ozzy Duran. And spot 13, D-Man. Spot 14, Stacy Powell with spot 15. Bill Green B, spot 16. Jordan Duran, spot 17. D-Man, spot 18. Craig, spot 19. Sean Herring, spot 20. Ashley Herring, spot 21. Sean Herring, again, spot 22. Dozer, spot 23. Sean Herring, spot 24. Shelby's 25. Iselo, 26. Kyle Engman, spot 27. Sterling, spot 28. Ashley Herring, spot 29. And Craig, spot 30. So that is our name list. And then our team list looks like, I thought I copied and pasted that. That's really weird. Let's do that again. I think I just didn't do the copy and paste. I got it all in the right order and then just didn't hit copy and paste, which is a pretty easy fix. All right, so as always, in alphabetical order, starting with the Atlanta Hawks down to the Washington Wizards. So we just need to find out how many times we're going to hit the old random button. Let's make sure that everybody can see this very well. And so obviously we got to blow it up so you guys can see it, but got to make sure that everybody can see it. I hate how for some reason it just doesn't come across as clear as it is on my screen. But anyway, that's the name list, making sure all you guys can see it. And all right, let's see how many times we're going to hit the randomizer. Got the 2 virtual dice. We're going to hit the roll dice button, and that gives us a 5 and a 4 for the big old 9 times on the randomizer. So let's hit the randomize button 9 times for the name list from Beth Noyce all the way down to Craig. All right, 9 times. Starting us off, Shelby on top. Dozer on the bottom. After 2, got the D-Man and Iselo. And the 3rd, Sterling and Shelby. And the 4th time, we got Jordan on top and Ashley on the bottom. Here is number 5, puts Beth up top. And Ashley on the bottom after 6. Dozer back on top. And Sean after 7. Jordan back on top. And Caleb on the bottom. 8. We got Ashley on top. And Kyle Engman on the bottom. So, as we always do, We have gone 8 times so far. We rolled a 5 and a 4, which is 9. So this is the 9th and final on the name list. And that puts Stacy Powell on top and Beth Noyce on the bottom. So let's get that put over to the final pairing up list. Which obviously we need to delete that here in a second. If we didn't randomize the teams, this is what happened. And obviously we got to blow this up too. So let's do this here. Gotta make it bigger. Bigger, gotta make it so much bigger. Sorry. I don't know why I started singing that for some reason. You might even want to go 36. Let's see how that looks real quick. Hold on, I'm going to jump over to the video and see how that's looking. And if you blow it up, it's still, I think I'm going to go 36 on the font size. 36. All right. So obviously this is not the final pairing. This is just the teams in alphabetical order. So we're going to delete that. I need to get down to delete though. All right, there we go. Delete that column. All right. All right, now 9 times on the randomizer for the team list. 9 times. Good luck. There is 1. Puts the Cavs on top and the Suns on the bottom. After 2, Charlotte Hornets on top. Kings on the bottom. After 3, the Bulls on top. And the Bucks. 4 puts the Jazz on top. Check quick. What does that mean? I don't know how it wouldn't have pasted over correctly. Beth Noyce was in spot 1 and 2, so there's no way it could have pasted and just randomized itself in the copying. All right, spot 6. Spot 6 I have as Issei Low. So let's look at the list. Show spot 6 is Issei Low on the list on Overtime Cards of Utah's page. So I don't understand unless the name got put in the list incorrectly. So Heidi, if you can check that. So on pause here for a second while Heidi is going to check and see. I've copied the list over correctly. So unless the list is incorrect, I mean, we're correct as far as the list that was populated. So what are we saying? Are we saying the list is not correct, or are we saying the list is correct? It's not. You can see right there that spot 6 is Issei Lo. Spencer, if you can see it. So the numbers, so can you see how spots right here at the top, you got the number 1. So right now, that's who was in spot 1, obviously, but that was Stacy Powell was in the 15th spot. Shelby was in the 25th spot. Craig was in the 19th spot. So, like I'm saying, Issei Lo was in the 6th spot. It didn't change the transfer. Copy and paste doesn't really change itself during the paste process that I have ever seen. So, I mean, that's the list. So, Heidi, are we good to keep going? Okay. All right. So, we are, where are we at? Oh, yeah, that's the name list after 9 times on the name list. Okay. Back to the team list. We have gone 4 times. So after 4, this is the results. All right. After 5, Houston Rockets on top. The Pelicans on the bottom. After 6, the Hornets on top. And the 76ers on the bottom. After 7, the Raptors on top. And the Cavs on the bottom after 8. Got the Kings on the top. And the Lakers on the bottom. So we rolled a 9 on the dice. We've gone 8 times so far. So this is the 9th and final time. Good luck. And that puts the Cleveland Cavaliers on top. And the Lakers stayed on the bottom. All right, let's paste this over. See who everybody got. Good luck, everybody. Load up to 36. All right. So Stacy Powell ended up with the Cleveland Cavaliers. Shelby with the Utah Jazz. Craig with the Wizards. Shelby with the Grizz. Ozzie Duran with the Warriors. Spencer Whiting with the Pelicans. Jordan Duran with the Bucks. Beth Noyce with the Nuggets. Shelby with the Brooklyn Nets. Issei Lo with the 76ers. Dozer with the Magic. The Atlanta Hawks going to Ashley Heron. The D-Man to the Timberwolves. Caleb with the Dallas Mavericks. Kyle Engman with the Bulls. D-Man with the Trailblazers and the Spurs. Paul Tafoya with the Suns. Sean Herring with the Boston Celtics. D-Man with the Thunder. Sterling with the Kings. Sean with the Clippers. So, Sean, get with Issei Lo if you want to trade for any of Issei Lo's teams. Issei Lo with the Raptors. Dozer with the Rockets. Craig with the Pistons. Bill Green B with the Knicks. Kyle Engman with the Miami Heat. Sean Heron with the Indiana Pacers. Ashley Heron with the Hornets. And Beth Noisely picking up the Lakers. Congratulations, Beth Noyce. Way to nicely pick up them Los Angeles Noicers. I don't know. That's just what came out of my mouth. I apologize for that. So anyway, we are going to post that over to the website. So we are all good. Um, like we said, we'll probably try to break it in the morning on Thanksgiving morning. So not too early, more like 10ish, 11ish, whenever Heidi and I decide we want to get up out of bed and roll into the shop. And then if you guys are interested in a Prism, let us know as soon as possible. I'd like to see if we could get a Prism break filled up, a Prism mixer. Now, it's going to have some Prism in it, but not all Prism. Probably an assortment, a mixer like we do. That's up to Heidi, though, to figure out exactly what that break would entail. But if you guys are interested in some brand new Prism that I think comes out tomorrow, let's get in on another break and do a couple breaks tomorrow. Sounds like fun to me. All right, everybody. Thanks again for getting in, and we'll see you on break Thanksgiving Thursday. All right, everybody. Peace out.